Hey guys, my name is Everything Renee. Oh, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Everything Renee, and today I am about to go. I've been having to slow down lately because my brain has literally been moving faster than the speed of light, and my mouth does not follow as fast as my brain thinks of thoughts. So I definitely know that I need to slow down. What was I saying? Y'all, I'm getting ready to head out, go to dinner with my sisters. This is what I'm wearing. I literally just threw it on. This is one of my nephew's shirts. I think I bought it for my nephew for when he comes for the night. He could just have some clothes. But anyway, I just cut it up. I took the neck thing off and I kind of pulled it a little bit. I like that look. The look of being jacked up. That's the look. And then I have on these pants. I don't know where I got these pants from, but they're so cute. It's the IG pose. Cause my gut hiding on the other side. I'm wearing some fake Birkenstocks from Target. They're really comfortable. Got this hair clip on my hair, and I'm going to be wearing these glasses. They need to be clean, but this is the overall look. Something light, something slight. I'm really hungry and I'm really late. Basically what I was trying to say, because I really do want to get the point across. Get it across before it slips my mind, because y'all know it will. I was just in a rut lately, completely consumed with things that don't serve my spirit. I wasn't feeding myself good thoughts, positive thoughts. I was literally looking at myself and just being disgusted, not just by my self-image, but like, I'm 32, okay? Every now and then I zone out and wonder if where I'm at in life is where I'm actually supposed to be. You get what I'm saying? A lot of times when those moments come about, it's really triggered by something. I don't know what I was triggered by, but normally when I come off of vacation or come from traveling and being around so many people, my energy just feels so depleted when I get back to my original state. This could be even if I was to go out to the club. Like, by the end of the night, I don't want to do nothing else for the next 3 days. It's like my body needs to process and recover. And I do have to remember, I am an individual living with an invisible chronic illness. And unfortunately, my brain has damages. And my coping mechanisms to certain things have not always been the greatest, but I work through them. I allow myself that time. I allow myself that grace. 1, because I deserve it. 2, because it's okay to deal with the issues that you're dealing with. Just acknowledge the issues that you're dealing with and strive to move for a better, greater outcome. Obviously, you hear my phone going off. I'm late. Like I said, I'm climbing out of the hole. I see the silver lining. It literally only takes me to have one crazy, deep down, dark of moments to never want to experience that again. And thankfully, I've already had that moment. So I find it kind of easy for me to climb out. Sometimes it lasts longer than others. Sometimes, you know, it can be like 2-3 day thing. But it's been moments where it's been as long as a month or more, to be quite honest. I'm trying to be easy on myself this time around and acknowledge what the issues are and just strive to work towards them. I know that sounds easier said than done, but this is one of the good days, you know, and I see the silver lining. So I'm already there, baby. I'm already fucking there. I can't be stopped. Oh, I gotta go. My sisters are probably talking shit, but maybe I'll see you. Oh, you guys can come. You wanna come? You want to meet my sisters, like all of us together? I don't know. I don't know, because my sisters are my best friends now. Don't fuck it up, y'all. Don't fuck it up, because if you do, I'm gonna have to cut y'all off. I'm gonna have to cut y'all off. I'm just joking. I'm not gonna cut you off. Oh, I know what I need. Okay, guys, I'm gonna see you when I get with my sisters. Bye.
Red sauce and taste.
Is this hot? You got hot people there. Say hey, y'all.
Hey, Brenda.
Say hey.
Somebody drank my margarita. Somebody drank my margarita. You don't know what.
Say hey. We're here. It is good. No, it does mean that.
Don't put that back in my food.
I haven't been doing shit. Yeah, but
But I have.
Oh, this looks yummy. I'm almost done with my margarita.
Yeah, get it.
this is love too, y'all. Y'all know I fuck with y'all too. Y'all better say thank you.
Thank you, bitch. We're still here, catching up and whatnot. Y'all better talk about how we gonna take over the world.
We are going to take over the world. So we're at La Perilla in Tower Mill. We had food. Somebody's having a birthday party over there. But today was a good day. Sunday fun day with the sisters. Look at this. And this is what we're looking at. Okay, this is up for me. Some to like. You don't even know this is hat. I'm wearing this hat because my hair is not done.
That was it right there. That was tough.
Come on, Casey.
Oh, we're still recording.
Oh, what did I do?
Don't miss that camera right there.
I'm holding it.
So these are my sisters, Ryan, Brittany, Casey. We're out to lunch. What did you say?
Oh, this is all in my teeth. Sorry guys, I made sure that hopefully she'll edit that out. It hurts.
How did you know?
My food was good. It was also gluten-free. Can never go wrong with Mexican. You know what I mean? Can never go wrong with Mexican. Didn't drink much water. Okay, bye. She always cussing. Always
I don't suck dick, so you can put some on if you like.
I suck it, dick.
wanna sit down.
What happened with your taco?
They don't have to put two corn tortillas.
Two corn tortillas.
They don't have to wrap two around it. The one is drying up. It's insulting.